So I'm going to show you step by step how you can build unlimited backlinks with AI for free to rank your site first and fast. Now these backlinks will sort of look like this, so high quality backlinks. Again, I'm going to show you how to build them all unlimited. Like if you want 100, if you want 1,000, if you want 10,000 backlinks, I'm going to show you how to do it for free, 100%, no catch. Okay, so first things first is what type of links are we building? They're called guest posts. Super quick, what a guest post is let's say this is my site right here, right? And I want links coming in, right? Now a guest post link is a link from another site where this is my, let's call this a good site, right? So a good site has high metrics, right? High traffic, right? It's a good site, and I'll talk about what a good site is later on, but a powerful site, relevant site, right? And these guys have a lot of pages, blog post pages, whatever, right? And a guest post essentially is asking them to write a new blog post or a new page, right, about whatever it is, and add a link there linking to our site. So a guest post is reaching out to a site owner, asking it to write a blog post for us, posting it on their site and linking back to us. Now, why is this valuable? Because again, the site where we're posting the guest post on, it has traffic, has high metrics, and that's basically what a good backlink is. And the more backlinks you have, the higher you're gonna rank, okay? Now, how are we going to do this? It's using search prompts, okay? Using search prompts to find the best sites to place links on. And here are the search prompts. I'll leave this down below in the description. If I forget, just comment and I'll send it to you, over to you. And there's an infinite amount of these, right? You just have to be creative, okay? But we'll test a couple of these right now. And then I'm going to show you how to use AI to write valuable content the site owners actually want to post. So the very first step is, of course, leveraging these search prompts. So let me just take this one right here, for example, and let's do in URL, right, guest post, and let's say our niche is, for example, lawyer, okay? And then we go through and find, okay, let me see here, let's click a couple of these sites right here. And the reason why we're doing this, right, is because you are trying to find in the URL, if there's the word guest post in the URL, right, is the ones that I just opened right here, as you see, they have guest post in the URL, okay? This one has right for us, but it surely has guest post somewhere around here, okay? Then your niche, right, lawyer, gambling, crypto, whatever you want to build backlinks for. Because again, a powerful backlink is one that comes from a powerful domain, right? High metrics, high traffic, but also relevant. So the perfect backlink is again, one from a powerful domain plus a relevant backlink. So a relevant backlink meaning that the site where you place a link on is in the same niche as yours, and the post in which the article or the link is posted on is relevant too. So relevancy plays a big part. And again, the ideal backlink is one that's both powerful plus relevant. Don't just go for powerfulness or just relevancy, go for both. That's the ideal, and that's the best type of backlinks you can have, okay? And with these search prompts, you can find them. So again, in URL, guest post, lawyer, and I found these two sites, right? And because I use this search prompt, these are dedicated pages in the lawyer, right? Lawyer niche, right? This is just a site about criminal lawyers, right? News, whatever. And there you go. There's a section right here dedicated to write for us, lawyer guest posts accepted, okay? Free press directory. So again, they have instructions on how to write for them, right? And surely there's the contact info right here where you can get in touch with them and say, listen, I want to make a post on your site. How much does it cost, right? It's pretty straightforward. The outreach part's quite easy, again, just getting in touch with them, and they will know what you want because, I mean, they're predisposed to it already. This one right here as well, I mean, they have the rules right here. Guest post submissions needs to be 1,000 words, at least an image, no duplicate content, should pass copy escapes, no whatever, right? They have a bunch of rules. Then you get in touch with them and ask them for the pricing or whatever, okay? Pretty straightforward. And again, this works for any single niche. And you can do this for free, and you can build unlimited backlinks for free, right? Now, this takes some work. You might want to hire a VA, a virtual assistant, to do this for you, right? But it's quite simple. Now, one thing that I do want to show is that we have to look if the domains are actually valuable, right? So let me just paste this in here, right? And see if this domain is actually a decent domain. So DR10, UR13, the traffic seems nice. So no manipulation here. There's no like big spikes out of nowhere, right? It's a gradual growth, which is nice, great to see. They rank for 600 keywords, and we do want to check if these keywords are relevant to our niche. So legal, whatever, my law, okay. So yeah, these are all legal terms, so they rank for keywords in the same niche. So again, relevancy plays a big part. If these guys were ranking and had a bunch of pages ranking for crypto or gambling or dogs or cars, right, this wouldn't be a very good link, right? Because again, we want relevancy and power. Now, this domain isn't very powerful, right? Low metrics, not that much traffic, sorry. But it's still a decent domain. And depending on the price they ask for, you might as well get it or not, okay? So all has to do with pricing. Let's just take a look at this one real quick, for example, too. And let me just see the metrics of the domain. Let me see if there's anything fishy here. Well, this one, yeah, this is when it's super fishy, right? Why would we want to backlink on a site that just lost all its organic traffic? Not a good look at all. And we don't want to be having links on these sites right here. Let me see the organic keywords. Are they relevant to anything? Let's see, lawyer stuff. Yeah, they seem like somewhat relevant. But again, this is a short video. You want to do a proper like analysis. But the process is the same, right? Just go here, open a couple of these sites, right? Go into Ahrefs, SEMrush, use Moz, use whatever, right? And take a look at if the site is relevant, right? If it looks real, if there's no like high spikes in traffic. Look if at the anchors, the keywords they rank for. If the keywords are not relevant, you don't want to get a link on here, okay? But again, you'll be able to find a lot of sites using these search prompts for any niche, right? Now, once you find the perfect site, right, you're gonna outreach to them, right? Go here, find their email, and send them an email, right? Asking them how much it is, and you need to have, or you should have at least, your guest post prepared, right? Because again, these guys are going to be posting your article in their site. So you want to make sure that the article you're posting is amazing, okay? Because again, backlinks need to come from a relevant site, right? The site needs to be relevant in your niche, high traffic, high metrics, and the post within the site needs to be hyper relevant too, right? The post itself, the images you use, the videos you use, the structuring of the content, the anchor text you use to link out to your site, all of these needs to be hyper relevant. Now, the best way in which you can do this is just pay AI 80 cents, literally 80 cents. If you go here to pricing, you can just do this. 80 cents for one article to write the article for you. Just pay 80 cents to the AI and just send the article via email. And these articles, as you know, look great. Let me just open here, for example, kid-friendly dog breeds for 2024. This is done with AI, right? The featured image, the table of contents, the content structuring, in-article images, links here, more links, right? There's even in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about. And this is a great article, right? It's not just some old plain piece of text, right? It's an article properly written with images, links, bullets, tables, quotes, a featured image, right? All this, right? Which most of these sites require, right? At least one image, right? Because you want to be publishing high quality content, right? Find a high quality site using these search prompts. Check the metrics on Ahrefs, check the metrics, whatever you want to check them. Make sure the site looks real, right? And then have AI write a proper post like this. Again, this costed 80 cents, less than a cup of coffee, less than $1. Super cheap, right? And then send them the post. Pretty simple, right? Now, if you're working with multiple, if you're trying to build multiple links, just go here and generate, I don't know, 5, 10 articles, multiple niches. You can choose if you want videos, you choose if you want images, you can choose if you want internal, external linking, you can connect this to the web. Either you can, if you're building links for different languages, you can choose Spanish, Portuguese. I mean, this will depend on your niche, right? But just use AI to produce the content for you. It's quite simple, quite straightforward, and you're sure that the content is going to be high quality and relevant to what your niche is about. That's basically it. That's how you produce, right? Hundreds, thousands, millions of backlinks with AI. Now, again, you are just one person. You might want to hire a VA, a virtual assistant, to help you out with this. But the process is just this. It's simple, right? And if you have this nailed down, if you have people working with you, or even if you just do this 1 hour a day, over the course of 30 days, you can build a very, very strong link profile, just paying 80 cents for each article. That's super nice, okay? So yeah, that's basically it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you watch this far, and you want to try this out and don't want to pay full price, just go to tryjournalist.com, click this little chat bubble right here, and tell the support guys that you came from this video you're watching right here. Copy the video URL, send them here and tell them, listen, I came from this video, I want a coupon code. And the guys will give you a coupon code. So yeah, that's a little secret for everyone that watched this far. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll leave this down below in the description so you can try it out yourself. Thank you, and I'll see you very, very soon. Cheers.